Hi, Eric Richardson here with Roofing Specialists of San Diego. And today we're going to be going over why we chose Owens Corning as our preferred shingle to install on your homes here in San Diego. So let's get to work. Owens Corning is already in your house. If I went in your attic and I looked inside, I bet you it's pink. If I went in your garage and looked at your car and it has a fiberglass bumper, yep, you guessed it, Owens Corning invented that. Do you like to golf? Well, guess what? You can thank those long booming drives to Owens Corning because they invented that graphite shaft. So when it comes to Owens Corning asphalt shingles, one of the main reasons we chose them over the others is because of their rep. You see, that rep taught us how to sell. That rep explained and poured into us. He invested his expense account rather than taking us to golfing events, out to dinners, to bars and restaurants, to lunches. All the other reps care about that kind of stuff, but Owens Corning cares about training, educating, and teaching their contractors on how to teach you to build a roof. That's why Owens Corning invented Roof in a Box. It'll explain how it takes a component of materials and accessories to build a roof that's going to last. From the plywood, to the ice and water, to the synthetic underlayment, to the starter strip, and to the asphalt shingles. All of these products made by Owens Corning. We also have here, made by Owens Corning, our explanation of ridge vent. And what this does is it shows you what the ridge vent looks like on your house, what the ridge caps look like, how to install it, how we cut out the deck, and how that ventilation breathes. The foam pieces that a lot of roofers miss, and that bug and moisture guard. You see, a roof's not just a roof. It's a component of things that make your roof last as long as they do. So call Roofing Specialists of San Diego. We'll teach you all about Owens Corning shingles.